Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Chris Dignam with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Wednesday, October 28, 2009. International Standard Asset Management will relaunch a gold fund this year. According to Reuters, the hedge fund firm headed by former Man Group head Stanley Fink will unveil the fund in December. Top hedge fund managers including John Paulson, Daniel Loeb, and David Einhorn have invested huge amounts in gold funds this year. ISAM also had launched a trend fund in June 2007, which has returned 17% in 2 years. Staying with hedge fund news, Kohlberg and Company has appointed Andrew Bonanno as Managing Director of Business Development. He is charged with building relationships with the firm's external deal sources, as well as developing and leading Kohlberg's proprietary investment sourcing programs. Previously, he was Vice President of Business Development for American Capital's New York-based buyouts team. And in more hedge fund news, Citadel Capital is planning to invest in Kenya and Uganda in the next 6 to 12 months. According to Reuters, the Egypt-based private equity firm had previously said it planned to invest $200 to $400 million in 2010, with an eye on Africa. Citadel invests across the Middle East and North Africa via 19 platform companies in sectors including energy, mining, agriculture, and cement. In Uganda, the firm is interested in agriculture and infrastructure investments. And finally, a group of Blackstone Group investors has appealed the dismissal of their lawsuit filed against the private equity firm. According to Reuters, the plaintiffs had alleged Blackstone did not disclose the investments in bond insurer FGIC, Freescale Semiconductor, and real estate were losing value before its initial public offering in June 2007. Judge Harold Baer ruled that Blackstone's investments in FGIC and Freescale were not material to the case. Plaintiffs allegedly failed to show a connection between problems in the housing sector in 2006 and 2007 and Blackstone's investments in commercial and hotel properties. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online and read the full stories and the latest developments.